Manager Index. So ito yung month by month changes ng 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 manufacturing and service sector. O change month by month change ng economic activity ng isang country. So nakita ko lang sa TikTok na itong purchasing manager index nag-improve daw itong term ni President BBM. So, naging curious lang to si Pasag at parang hindi ko pa alam yung Purchasing Managers Index na yan. So, yun. May bagong knowledge naman tayong natututunan ha. Month by month change in economic activity lalo na sa economic and manufacturing and service sector. So, may formula to, so isusunod na lang natin yun. Part 1 lang to. May part 2 pa to kung paano to computein. So, yun lang po.